All right, challenge problem people. So we're on lesson 7 problem set. And actually, we're going to do the very last problem, question 6. So it says, as of the 2010 census, there were 3,669 people living in Marlboro, New York. Brooklyn, New York has 681 times as many people. How many more people live in Brooklyn than in Marlboro? So, do your best to solve. When you're ready to check, come on back. Okay, so here's what I know. Marlboro is hard to say, but also they have 3,669 people. Brooklyn has 681 times as many. So whatever Marlboro has, Brooklyn has that much times 681. Let's solve that part. So I have 3. I should leave more room at the top, actually. 3, 6, 6, 9 times 6, 8, 1. And this first part is easy because 3,669 times 1 is 3,669. Voila, done with that part. Done with the 1. Now let's multiply by 8, but it's not really an 8, it's an 80, so I'm going to add a 0. Now I'll multiply. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus 7 would be 55. Sorry, let me double check that. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus the 2 would be 50. Plus 5 more, 55. 55. 8 times 6 is 48 again. Plus 5 would be 53. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 5 is 29. Okay? Last one, I'm done with these numbers. I'm going to cross them off, especially because I'm only using pencil. This paper is really thin, so I don't want it to leak. Now I'm going to multiply 6 times each number on top, but it's not really a 6, it's 600. So let's add our zeros. Now we can pretend it's a 6. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 6 is 36. Plus 5 is 41. 6 times 6 is 36. Plus 4 is 40. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 4 would be 22. Okay, before I even do this, I just want to see what should my answer be close to. 3,669, that's pretty close to 4,000. And 681, that's pretty close to 700. 4 times 7 is 28, and I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I added my commas, so that means Brooklyn should have about 2.8 million people, or 2,800,000. So let's add this up. Let's hope our number is close if I solve correctly. 9 plus 0 plus 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9, 4, and 2. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Awesome! Look at this. Our answer is 2,498,589, and that is pretty close to 2,800,000. But that's not what the question was. They don't want to know how many people live in Brooklyn. They want to know how many more people live in Brooklyn than in Marlboro. So we need to do some subtraction. So I'm actually going to take Brooklyn's amount of people. I'll take away what Marlboro has, and that'll tell me how many more people live in Brooklyn. I'm not going to solve this problem with you on screen at all, so I'm actually going to solve my subtraction up here because I'm running out of room. Okay, I have 2, 4, 9, 8, 5, 8, 9. Oh boy. And I am subtracting. And actually, I had an idea, but I'll write this down too. I'm subtracting 3, 6, 6, 9. So this is one way you could solve. Or I had a realization. Because Brooklyn was 681 times what Marlboro was, if I just found out 680 times, that'd be like taking the amount of people who live in Marlboro out of Brooklyn. And when I do 680, that just means this row wouldn't be here. So another way you could solve is just by adding these numbers here. 2, 2, 0, 1, 4, 0, 0. So either way is going to get you the same answer. Also, this way, because I have a feeling this is how most people solved. So let's do that. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. I can't do 5 minus 6. So I have to take away. That 8 becomes a 7, and my 5 becomes a 15. 15 minus 6 would be 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. And these numbers can drop down because 9 minus 0 is 9, 4 minus 0 is 4, 2 minus 0 is 2. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. How many people live in Brooklyn? 2,494,920. I'm just curious. I'm going to check this one too to make sure we did this right. So I'm going to add 0 plus 0, 0, be 2. That would be 9, 4, 9, 4, 2. Let's check. 2,494,920. There we go. We got the same thing. Right? Did you get that? So this is how many more people live in Brooklyn than Marlboro. Good job, everybody. Bye.